To reset your Awardwallet link to a credit card, follow these steps. First, log into your Awardwallet account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Linked Accounts section, where you will see a list of all the accounts you have linked to Awardwallet, including your credit cards. Find the credit card account you want to reset the link for and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear with the option to edit or delete the account. Click on Delete to remove the existing link. Next, you will be asked to confirm that you want to delete the account. Confirm the deletion, and the link to your credit card will be removed from Awardwallet. Now, to relink your credit card, click on the Add Account button and select the type of account you want to add. In this case, a credit card. You will be prompted to enter your credit card login credentials, which may include your username, password, and other security details. Enter the required information and click on the Link Account button. Awardwallet will then attempt to connect to your credit card account and retrieve the necessary information. If the linking process is successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your credit card account has been linked to Awardwallet. It is essential to note that you should only link accounts that you own and have the necessary permissions to access. Additionally, always ensure that you are logging in to the correct website and entering your login credentials securely to avoid any potential security risks. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Awardwallet link to a credit card and ensure that your account information is up to date. Remember to regularly review your linked accounts and update them as necessary to maintain the accuracy and security of your Awardwallet account.